So, you've heard about trading, seen the headlines, maybe even have friends talking about it, and you're thinking, how do I even begin? The world of stocks, crypto, and forex can seem intimidating, but the truth is, everyone starts somewhere. You don't need a finance degree or a huge pile of cash. You just need a solid plan. First things first, education is your best friend. Before you even think about putting real money on the line, you need to understand the basics. What's a stock? What's a bond? What's the difference between a bull and a bear market? There are tons of free resources online, from reputable financial websites to educational platforms and even YouTube channels like this one. Take your time, read articles, watch videos, and get a feel for the terminology. Next, you need to choose what you want to trade. Are you interested in companies you know and love, like Apple or Google? That's the stock market. Are you intrigued by the idea of digital currencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum? That's crypto. Or maybe you're more interested in the foreign exchange market, trading different currencies against each other. Each of these has its own unique risks and rewards, so do your research and pick the one that aligns with your interests and your risk tolerance. Once you've got a basic understanding and a market in mind, it's time to practice without any risk. This is where a paper trading account comes in. Most major trading platforms offer a simulated account where you can trade with fake money using real-time market data. This is a game changer. It allows you to test out strategies, make mistakes, and build confidence without losing a single dollar. Think of it as your trading boot camp. Finally, and this is crucial, start small. When you do decide to trade with real money, only invest an amount you are completely okay with losing. This isn't just about managing risk, it's about managing your emotions. Trading can be a roller coaster, and starting with a small amount helps you stay calm and make rational decisions, not emotional ones. Remember, successful trading is a marathon, not a sprint. Be patient, be disciplined, and always be learning. Good luck.